error codes, majority of them are going to be drain errors or fill errors. Those are going to, or door lock. It's going to be one of those three is the majority of those where someone is monkeying with the door, they slammed it hard, there's switches in there, there's double interlocking safety features so people can't open that washer while it's full of hot water and pouring out on everybody. They want to slam it or turn it the wrong way or try to mess with it when it's open and bend things. That's always a good place to go start because you will get door lock errors, drain valves where majority of the washers will tell you that it's a drain alarm or a fill alarm. And you'll know to go look at those three things we've talked about in terms of water valves, drain valves, and door locks.